14 inches and 2.5 pounds. This is the Valhalla Series Annihilator Cleaver from Dalstrong. No other cleaver on this earth can chop like this, yet slice like this, and look and feel this epic doing it. A 14-inch blade with a 6mm spine forged from heavy-duty steel. Precision sharpened to a scalpel, cutting edge with Dalstrong's very own D3 sharpening technology. Razor sharp 8 to 12 degrees. You could perform surgery with it, but don't confuse the precision edge with the brittle blade. It's reinforced with lion shield treatment for heavy impact and corrosion resistance. Because the Valhalla Series Annihilator is built to last this life and the next. Slice primal cuts, brisket, and roasts with ease. Power through ligaments and cartilage. Crush garlic and aromatics. With the front thumb grip, you can work with more control when rock chopping and push cutting. The blade artwork is more than a decoration. It reduces friction when cutting. Every single handle is unique. Built from stabilized wood and finished one by one with a beautiful resin casting, your Annihilator is one of a kind. Comes with a handcrafted display stand made from rubber wood and resin, because a blade this beautiful belongs in the spotlight. Or stow it away safely in this premium leather sheath. So what are you waiting for? The Valhalla Series Annihilator from Dalstrong.